Alright, this is Kicho Il Bu at regular speed. Pay attention to the front stance. Front leg is bent, rear leg is locked out. Your stance is bladed. Snap, power. That's how this form should be done. Now we'll slow it down for you so that you can see it in detail and learn from it. Okay, so we're going to the position of Yoi or Chun V or whatever you want to call it. He's going to start with a low block to his left to a front stance. Then a middle punch, front stance. He's going to turn back the way he came, low block, front stance. Middle punch, front stance. He's going to come down the middle with a low block. Now 3 middle punches down line. There's 1. All of them are being done in the front stance. There's 2. And we're going to key up on this last one. Now 270 degree turn to the left. Low block, front stance. Middle punch, front stance. Now 180 degrees to the right. And low block, front stance. Middle punch, front stance. Now we're going back to the center. Started out with a low block, front stance. And 3 middle punches going back. 1. There's 2. This is all done in the front stance. Last one with a key up. Now 270 degree turn to the left. Low block. Middle punch. 180 degrees to the right. Low block. Middle punch. End of Hyung. End of Kata. End of form. However you prefer to call it. Back to Chun V or the Yoi position. And back to attention.